All right, so what we have here is the RAZO Daction 360 Drive Action Recorder, which can be doubled as an action camera. So as we take a closer look at this box, we're going to go ahead and unbox it. And we are greeted by the 360 dashcam sticker, a micro SD 16 gig memory card, and the instruction manual. And right below that we find the unit itself. So this is the drive action recorder that can be doubled as an action camera. So we take a closer look, we see 3 buttons. The left side is the power button, the middle one is a manual screen capture, and then the right side is a Wi-Fi button. I'm going to go ahead and turn it to the side, flip this cover open, and we see 2 slots. The one to the left is going to be the power, and then to the right is where we find our memory card. So that's where we're going to insert our memory. We'll put that to the side. Let's take a look at the right side of the box. So this is the power cord. Now on the left side of the box, we see the power adapter for the unit. So it's a USB style. We're just going to plug this in right here. And this side goes into your car. We also find the mount itself for the camera. So this is the orientation. And what's cool about this is you can actually turn these 2 knobs, undo it, and change the pitch, the direction of the camera. Lock it into place, and then peel this sticker and just stick it onto your windshield. And even after you stick it on, you can kind of undo these 2 knobs and of course change the direction. And what's also my favorite feature about this camera is that it can double as an action camera simply by clicking this button up, sliding the camera forward, unpowering it, of course sliding on an external battery that's sold separately. I can take it on my adventures. This unit actually has a 3-axis G sensor which detects impact, and it starts automatically recording when it's powered up to your car. So that's a pretty neat feature that I like about it. And of course the fact that I can double it as an action camera, so whenever I want I can remove it from the vehicle and take it around with me. So this is another USB cord, which is the charging cord for your extra batteries. And last but not least, we have these 3 clips that's going to hold the power cord to your desired location. So these just simply click into place. Of course, you undo the sticker and just place it wherever you want. That is the official unboxing of the Daction 360 Drive Action Recorder by RAZO.